Terry's coming to get you. If you were coming out of the ravine, you should have taken a right when you were leaving the ravine.
There's lots of rights.
Terry's on his way over there. Panorama me, baby. Panorama me, baby.
That's postcard.
I'm gonna eat one of these sandwiches.
Bought a Lunchable at the gas station.
Did ya? What time is it? Did you say?
No, they didn't say, but it's 12. How far over can this go?
For ages. I bet that motion didn't help the panorama.
You were too late.
Are you guys up on the hill over there?
What'd you say?
We're definitely on a hill. I just don't know if it's the one you're looking at.
Another bag of chips for me? I got one more bag.
Terry came to find you by the ravine. Did you leave the ravine?
We shut stuff down at that place, locked up the doors. We started both of them.
This is good. You put a dip in?
Yeah.
It sounds better than food right now. You want a beer?
No, not yet.
Why not?
Should probably eat first. Before all that beer's gonna hit me again. Right at one. Yeah, we can probably go down through those trees down
Bill.
to that bottom. Over there. You got your scratchers down yet.
Bill. Cole.
Wonder I had all that extra drag.
Go to the
The snow's
ravine.
pretty
Terry's
good.
coming to find you.
Where we first were, huh?
Snow's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks fun.
There's not. It's a pretty good drop off down there. And over there, one of them will figure out a way down, but there's like the whole fucking mountainside that hasn't been touched over there.
Right over there?
Right around these trees and then back up in there.
Oh, okay.
I think right on the other side of those trees, actually. I just didn't feel like driving through them. Maybe go uphill through them.
So what's your little reminder here? Is it saying don't go on?
See, look.
hooked up with Terry yet?
Last night.
I'm not talking about last night.
At least we picked a spot nice and out of the wind.
What do you mean? Are you saying it's windy here or not?
There's like a whole
Like it's windy here.
hillside over there that hasn't been touched.
Honestly, I didn't think it was that
one.
one.
We can get down in that bottom.
Well,
It's not
I was
windy
wondering if
down
we could
there.
go down
Or over
around.
there.
Are you talking about
There's tracks that come up
and go up and then go all the way over? Is that what you're talking about or no?
So if you go around these trees, there's like a little ravine that goes back there, and then back there, there's a whole hillside that doesn't look like anybody's been over there.
Bill, get over here. You're missing all the shit. Why didn't they talk? Are they talking range, you think? They're probably too far away.
Maybe.
That's the one thing that sled needs is some storage.
Well, I had last year. I put I got a pack for my.
Cole shouldn't be with Bill. They shouldn't be riding like that together because they
It
both
worked
have
okay.
walkies.
Not as
It doesn't make much sense.
How much was that?
I don't know. I got it for Christmas from my mom and dad.
They're like $120, I think.
Yeah. They're
Hundred-
they might.
150.
Yeah, they might be a little more than 120.
You
Where
can
is
get
it
them
all?
like.
They have
I just
sales
saw
on
them somewhere
don't
on sale for 130.
they? Yeah, they have sales on them.
I thought they were 120 on Amazon.
Yeah, you might be able to get
Right.
Amazon or
The
something.
retail price is 150.
Yeah.
They're fucking badass though, that's for sure. They gotta be coming this
That
way.
bag got a spot to put it and stuff.
I just put it in this one. This one, it does have a.
Where do you put your beacon?
My beacon's on my chest. I don't have it in here, but this has a spot right here, bottom left for beacon. But the one that I'm getting has a nice beacon spot for it.
Yeah.
It's right here.
That's the one I wore out at Cook.
That one. Yeah. That's got a nice beacon spot and it's got a nice radio spot for it. So.
Where's the fucking beacon spot?
That little zipper
Isn't it on
bag.
front there on your waistband?
This?
Yeah.
Other side.
Other side.
The
Probably in
pouch.
that big pouch. There's a couple
Oh,
pockets
this
in
here?
there.
I don't know if I'd put it in there though.
I would put it in my bag, bro.
Oh, God, I don't know if mine will fit in there.
I know I brought it with me today.
Do you have a lighter or what?
Yeah, I probably would.
Oh my god, that hurt.
Over there or no?
Yeah, there's a whole fucking channel there. Just kept going.
Well, let's decide that thing is
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. If
Probably
we
is
kept going.
this one right there.
There's a good Brian put some good shit over here.
Down over there.
Yeah, I didn't go down though.
Well, there's one slide there, a little one.
I don't have it. Fucking go like this and the goddamn fish in the bottom. I stuck my one in my
I like medium grade slope
With maximum powder.
with maximum powder. Maybe some cheese or
Tree hugger.
Yeah, a little dipsy in there. Oh, yeah.
I like that.
That was fun
That was
having that
kinda
shit
cool
over there,
when we
though.
started coming this way.
Cool, I didn't make it up on. It's still fun.
At least you tried. I didn't want
Bill's
to.
gonna go over there and see that. He's not gonna be back for 10 minutes.
He's just gonna wreck it all.
What's that?
That's a Terry
You should
shot.
go that way.
Yeah, go that way, guys. You want some beer or no?
You already went down there?
I'll have one after a bit. Next time.
Well, I just rode down there, but over there, there's a huge area.
wanted to get that hat, Ryan.
I'm buying the ball hat.
They have ball hats?
No, they don't.
They do though.
I didn't see any ball hats.
Oh yeah, up on the top right there. There's one. I think it was gray and white or like a bluish gray and white.
Like a club hat though, or something.
Oh, I thought it said totally. It might have been a climb. Yeah, you might.
It's a climb hat for
What's
sure.
It's the
Oh,
climb.
that'd be cool.
I take my earbuds out when I was climbing
Why?
Do you have those climb jackets?
because I wanted to be able to radio Bill to come help me.
Oh.
Yeah, that's expensive.
I just don't like how big. I like this one for like at home when it's cold. You're not fucking swimming through powder and shit all day. It's a lot more work to swim out here than
We all bitch today, man.
What? Because I didn't want to
Oh,
go
are
do
you guys
what
going
did.
or what?
I was doing
Did Bill
stuff.
go down?
I know, I'm just
You
giving
weren't
shit.
doing stuff I was doing.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think we're gonna get going.
Cool.